What's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of On the Rollers. I'm Alan with Edge Autosport and I've got a Mazdaspeed 3 on the dyno behind me. This car has a fresh motor and today we are going to be breaking in the engine on the dyno. So this is an alternative to the long break-in where you drive around very easily for 1,000 miles or whatever. Instead of that, we're going to be doing a lot of engine RPM varying, a lot of engine braking, and this is going to help seat the rings and get the car broken in a short amount of time rather than waiting the however long it takes you to do 1,000 miles, 5,000 miles, whatever, on the street. After the engine is broken in, we're going to change the oil, get it off that break-in oil, put some Schaefer's Supreme 9000 in there, and then we will be tuning it. As for mods on this car, it has a BNRS 3 turbo, the basic bolt-on CPE top mount intercooler downpipe intake, no auxiliary fueling, so we won't be pushing it very far. Of course, you can max out the BNRS 3 on the stock fuel system on these cars. This car is set up to be a fun daily driver or a weekend autocross warrior. So now that we've got this new engine broken in and fresh oil in it, it's back on the dyno for the tuning process. So time to turn up the boost and make some power. So I just finished tuning this Mazdaspeed 3. We had to end on a conservative note because of the fuel quality that is in this car. It turns out that the fuel that is in it is about 6 months old and has just been sitting there. What I found while tuning is that the car was very knock prone and I ended up having to run relatively low boost for what I would normally run on a BNRS 3 setup. I also had to run really conservative ignition timing, and that's just to keep things happy with what's in the tank right now. We could drain the tank, but that's a lengthy process. So what the customers decided to do is to just take the car as is and hopefully bring it back at a later date with good quality fuel, and we will make some adjustments and try to get some more power out of it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you liked it. Be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want to see some more. This is On the Rollers. I'm Alan with Edge Autosport, and we'll see you next time.